The security of every system can be improved in two ways. One way is through preventive measures, and another one is through corrective measures. The preventive measure means to prevent any malicious activities that happen in a service. In the previous video, for example, we discussed 7 different policies that are able to prevent those requests that violate these type of policies. These are called preventive measures. Another category of security measures are corrective measures. In the corrective measures, we provide a solution to change the malicious behavior to a correct and more secure behavior. In this thesis, we present 2 types of corrective measures. One of them is redirection, and the second one is ASSC, or adaptive and secure service composition, which will be discussed in a separate video. In the redirection, we basically are interested in inspecting the service invocations, and whenever one service invocation is going to happen to an untrusted service, we are planning to change that invocation and point it toward a more secure service in the same category. Let's start by an example here. I first set the system policies as we discussed in the previous example, and we also enable the enforcement mode. We upload the redirection policy here, and we enable that on the policy engine. Now the system is ready to enforce the redirection. So what is redirection? We start by making a query to get a number of tickets that are available, and then we demonstrate the redirection to the American airline ticket. For the first ticket, as we can see, if we try to confirm this ticket, client will call TR1 and send a request for the confirmation. TR1 will contact A1, and A1 contact BN1. So there's a chain of 3 different services that work together to confirm the ticket. Now, for the redirection, if we change the trust value of AA1 to less than threshold, for example, we change it to 26.26, then this ticket reservation, instead of calling AA1, we should call a more secure service in the same categories. These categories, the second category, there are 3 different services in the same category. By changing the AA1's trust to 0.26, we have another service that can replace AA1, and the service AA3, which has a trust value 0.7. So this is a candidate for the redirection, and we will see that how confirming the ticket will take advantage of changing the route of invocation to AA3 for improving the trust value of the overall service invocation. After confirming the ticket, it shows that payment has been confirmed. But to see what actually has happened, we need to look at the session report. When we look at the session report, and we actually can see that this invocation from the A1 has changed to A3 here. And if you look at the session report more closely, it says that policy violation has been prevented. So the violation of policy has been the initial call to AA1, which has been improved by changing that request to AA3. And also here we can see that how a trust value of a service has been quantitatively improved. It shows the session trust for the previous, if for example we were able to allow that request to call A1 and A1 to call BN1, the trust value was 0.67. But after redirection from AA1 to AA3, we see that the trust value has improved to 0.81. So we see quantitatively that trust value has changed by this redirection. This redirection, for example, we can try again by changing the trust value of BN1 and make it unsecure. Instead, we can change the trust value of BN3 to a much higher trust value. Now we can try again. This time, instead of one of the airline services, we change the trust value of banking service, and we show how this redirection happens from one of the airline services to banking services. Now let's try with the one of the tickets from the United Airline. After confirming, we see the session report that shows the UN1 to BN1 has changed by UN1 to BN3. And also we can see that the trust value, the previous trust value has been 0.68 if it was going to happen, but it has been improved to 0.89, the trust value. So we see a significant improvement in the security by this redirection. In the next video, we will see the next corrective solution, which is ASSC solution.